As you may have known, I was running these, I think they're Veristone somethings. Basically, they look like a T37, but those wheels are coming off today. We got some new ones.
Ooh, bitches. Spooky.
Oh, shit. Hi. I got new wheels. They came from a company called Style Up. They hit me up on Instagram and were like, actually, I hit them up on Instagram and I was like, yo, what up? And I realized that they had DM'd me already and they were offering to send me some wheels. So I was like, fuck, send me some wheels and I'll put them on my new Johnny. Like I said in the last video, I'm trying to get 16-inch Watanabes for this car, but I'm not gonna drift on those because those are like $3,000 wheels. But I got these to do skids on, and until I get those, I'll be running these. So here they are.
Boom.
Boom. Boom.
Okay.
They are Style Up Manjis. That's the name of the wheel. It may look like a different wheel to you, but they're not that wheel. But they're sick. Fronts are 18 by 9.5. I forget the offset, but it's like fucking perfect. These are both the specs are so good. Like you can see that fitment's gonna be money with a little bit of stretch on the tire. This fitment's gonna be money. So yeah, I'm super hyped. We're gonna just swap these tires over. We're about to take all this shit to the tire shop right now. We just wanted to throw them on the car, make sure they cleared the brakes and everything. Everything works out good. So we're gonna go get these bad boys mounted up and then put them on the car and see how she do. We might have to raise the rear a little bit, but I don't know, we'll find out.
I feel like it'll probably, once we set it on the ground, it'll tuck in, it'll be fine.
Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go do that and we'll update you as we go. Also, I will have the link to this company's website in the description. This is a super affordable, really well-sized wheel.
They're also like really light for how big it is.
Yeah, these are a really good option if you don't want to blast your $3,000 set of 3-piece wheels. Every drift car should be having these bad boys for a spare set of drift spares. Unless you got big baller money, then do what you want. But these are sick and I'm hyped, so check out their website and their Instagram. Here we go to the tire shop. Also, it's Halloween today, so that's why we're dressed up.
This is really just what we wear every day.
And I'm Jason, if you couldn't tell, I'm wearing this jumpsuit and my mask. DJ, Spooky Man.
I'm Spooky Man, Spooky Woman.
Cat Spooky Woman. Yeah, we gotta take half of the wheels to tire shop first and then come back and get the other ones.
Fix your mask.
Because we can't fit all 8 wheels in the Civic, so here we go.
Yeah, open it. Open it for the fam on cam. Yeah, I forgot I pre-ordered this book and it came out. They actually refunded me like a penny, I think. Because the price changed.
What booth?
Primitive Technology. You know that YouTube channel? Yeah, but the guy wrote a book.
So DJ bought this book.
So I could sit on the couch and play Xbox.
So, yeah.
So he could read when he can.
Maybe there will be a video that we can make where we try.
One of these?
One of these things.
Yeah.
There's tutorials.
We could build a car. It's a survival guide, basically.
Yeah, let's build. We should.
Wait,
build
is titties in there? Oh no, that was just his chest, I think.
Him.
Build titties in this?
Yeah, there's one right there.
We should build.
It's flat.
Yes, primitive car.
We should build a drift trike.
A pool table out of mud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna sit.
That looks comfy, bro.
Ready to roll. Alright, I just drove Parker's Nissan truck there, and it's missing a gear. It's missing 5th gear, and every other gear on throttle just sounds like the gravel in this parking lot. But it got here, so I guess
we heard the transmission before we heard the engine.
Yeah, he made it up here in 4th gear from Enumclaw.
Yeah, which is a 2-hour drive.
Yeah. Oh my god.
God dang, bro. They look so good.
Alright, I'll hit it. You got it. See you back there.
Okay, see you back there. You want to take the camera? And it's the next day.
It do be the next day, and we're in our parking lot here.
Driveway?
This is our parking lot here. DJ told me yesterday I've been saying parking lot instead of driveway, which is really weird.
Not.
I've been saying that.
You've been saying that literally since like the day we met. You just never say driveway.
Anyways, we're in our parking lot, and and the wheels are on the car, and it looks fucking gangster.
Yeah, we couldn't really film everything because
I had a pool tournament last night.
yeah, so Quentin had to like rush
Get
home.
home fast and get the wheels on fast and then get out of here because I was driving this car to the bar to play pool. But yeah, here they are. Take a look. They look so good. The front fitment is money. The rear fitment could probably use like a 10 mil spacer or something, but like it's better than the Bearstones were. They're a little more sunken in than these.
Happy Halloween from Bandman Inc. I just spent $100 million on the sink. New song dropping and your girl wants a link. She a trick, she want the treat, make it sticky on the beat. Happy Halloween from the more Skids team. Posted with your mommy in the left hand seat. I'm the new team captain of the import scene. American dream, keep on rushing to the cream. Still pulled up in a styrofoam cup. Still doing science out here with the cuts. Still storing bands in the bottom of the trunk. 5 toes on the metal till the red limit bust. Still pulled up in a styrofoam cup. Maybe still doing science out here with the cuts. Still storing bands in the bottom of the trunk. 5 toes on the metal till the rev limit bust, bitch.
Yeah, so it looks pretty good, basically.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Pretty hyped on that.
Yeah, what are you moving your truck to the shop?
Horny. Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Ooh, yeah. I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I can put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Money nose kid with the Sudafed flow. Talk a lot of shit, but it's all love though. Luca X kicked the beat, yeah, he set that shit to Wumbo. First grade SpongeBob, now we going Dumbo. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed.